for a ride-on lawnmower. We've never owned one, shopped for one. We've done a little bit of research. We have a bit of an idea of what it is we would like to get. Sadly, we were hoping to get an electric one because we're hoping to get solar at some stage in the future. But they just at this stage a little bit out of our price range. I think it's 7,500 without the grass catcher. So you're looking close to 9 grand, I think. It'll probably pay itself off in the long run, but at the moment that's just not really very feasible. So we're going to go shopping. A bit exciting.
And there's no stock.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So there's also not really much stock available where we are at. So a lot of the shops are saying that the earliest they can get in some stock for us is December. So hopefully we can get one today that's a bit more in our price range and immediately available, fingers crossed, because we also don't have a ute or a trailer to bring it home. So we're learning that we need a little bit more than we, I suppose, anticipated buying immediately, but let's see how we go. Alright, so we're back and we've just had our mower delivered. We went to 2 or 3 different places today. We've obviously looked online, and one of the biggest issues, as we mentioned, was just a supplier issue. So all the ones that we were kind of looking into getting were out of stock, or it just took a really long it'll take a really long time to get here. One of the chaps we spoke to today said that some of the mowers he's looking at getting back into stock will only be available in 2024. So obviously a huge issue. So I'll just show you what has been delivered. It's called a Stiga Estate. So it is petrol, unfortunately, which that's okay for now. Yeah, not much to it. It's hopefully going to do the job. Sven's just going to be putting in some fuel so we can actually try and use it today.
Just don't know how full this thing is. Oh, I got years to go, yeah.
It's pretty decent sized fuel tank.
I think it was a 6-litre tank, and this is a fuel 5-litre can. I just want to save some for the push mower.
So I should add, it's the first time either of us will be driving. Is it driving? Riding? A ride-on lawnmower. So it's going to be a bit interesting.
Let's just go with that for now.
I can see the level on this side if you...
How low is it?
Quite low, it's like only that much on it. Oh, and it also comes in with a built-in catcher, which was pretty important because on 7,000 squares the last thing we want to be doing is raking grass. So yeah, I think we're going to be pretty happy with it. We'll show you what it looks like once we get it going. You cut in a circle, like a...
Yeah, I let it go.
Oh, okay.
I made the mistake that he was talking about when you're reversing and you press the button.
Oh, yeah.
For safety, and I let go of the button and I was still holding reverse, so it cut out.
Oh, okay. So that's something he did warn us about. Okay, but it's looking good.
Did it again. We just need to figure out how we're going to drive and turn around and come back.
I do think we probably
started the long way.
Go long ways, yeah.
I cocked that up. Also, you can't start it when the blades are engaged.
What is it that you keep pushing and pulling there? Oh, is that just the blade?
Blades. If the blades are engaged, you can't start it.
Oh, okay, okay.
So which way do you want to go?
I'm thinking...
Up and down, rather.
I'm thinking we go this way.
What do you think about the cutting height?
Yeah, it looks good.
To like...
I'm not gonna lie, it looks so fun. I want to give it a go. that sounded like the alarm. I'm assuming that's the catcher full.
No way.
Surely not.
If the catch is full already, we have a serious problem.
I don't know how to check it without everything coming out. No, not there. It's super looking full. Yes, so our grass is very long, clearly.
I didn't think it was that long.
We've
but
done
that's
2 or 3 rows and the catcher is already full. So there's a massive alarm that goes off. Yikes. I think I'm going to have to go and open that gate for you so that you can...
We'll drive down to the bottom and we'll dump it.
So 2.5 hours later and we have done all the front and I had about half of the back, and this bad boy actually performed, I think, a lot better than we were expecting, considering it was a cheaper model. Really easy to use. There was not really much to it. We ran out of fuel once, but it was a quick little change and off we went again. So yeah, I'll just take you around and show you what the grass looks like, and how much we actually ended up cutting today. Sven did all the edging with a push mower. Just that's a bit easier, I guess. We do realize we need to get in like a trimmer. So this is everything, well, our little piles of everything we cut today. But look at this amazing grass. So cool. So we've still got sort of just in front of the tree line and the rest of that to do, but that's a job for another day. I think 2.5 hours of annoying the neighbors is probably enough. But I'll take you around to the front to show you what that looks like. So in spirit of getting our new lawnmower yesterday, we are on our way to mower racing. So we've never been to something like that before. I do believe it's RIDE ON MOWERs. So we're going to go and check it out and see what it's all about. I do have to wonder if they still actually cut the grass with these. I would imagine the blades must be removed. It looks like go-karts.
More like a go-kart that's been turned into a friendly.
Yeah. Either way, very cool. Oh my gosh, the gentleman just said that they're going to do a girls' race.